Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best children's cookbooks is probably one of the most rewarding ways to introduce your kids to the kitchen. These cookbooks are designed to make cooking fun and educational for children of all ages. They help kids develop essential life skills while also encouraging creativity in the kitchen. Get ready to explore a world of delicious recipes and exciting culinary adventures with these fantastic cookbooks. Number 5. The Complete Cookbook for Young Chefs. Are you ready to become a chef? This cookbook is filled with over 100 recipes that you'll love to cook and eat. It's the perfect guide for young cooks. This book offers a wide variety of delicious recipes. From breakfast to dinner, and everything in between, it has something for everyone. You'll find new favorites. The recipes are designed to be fun and easy to follow. It will guide you through each step, making cooking a joyful experience. Get ready to enjoy the fruits of your labor. It teaches essential cooking techniques. You'll learn how to measure, mix, and master various cooking methods. This book will help you build confidence in the kitchen. Grab your apron and get ready to create culinary masterpieces. It's your passport to a world of flavor and fun. Start your cooking adventure now. What we like. This cookbook offers a wide variety of recipes, ensuring there's something for everyone. It's perfect for young chefs eager to explore different cuisines and cooking techniques. If you're looking for a cookbook that provides a comprehensive culinary journey, this is the one for you. What people say. It is well organized with lots of pre-cooking information and instructions for the beginning chef, fun, easy, delicious recipes, and the illustrations are beautiful. The recipes are simple enough for my 12-year-old to follow, yet very satisfying and tasty food. Instructions are step-by-step and very clear. Great pictures to view to get the overall idea of the finished recipe. Number 4. The Complete Cookbook for Young Chefs. Are you ready to become a culinary master? This cookbook is packed with over 100 recipes that are perfect for young chefs like you. It's filled with delicious dishes you'll love to cook and eat. Inside, you'll find a wide variety of recipes, from breakfast treats to savory dinners and yummy desserts. It has something for everyone, and each recipe is designed to be easy to follow. This cookbook makes cooking fun and accessible. It provides clear instructions and helpful tips to guide you through every step. You'll be proud of the meals you create. It's a great way to learn new skills and build confidence in the kitchen. It encourages you to experiment with flavors and discover the joy of cooking. You'll be amazed at what you can create. Get ready to embark on a delicious adventure. This cookbook is your guide to creating amazing meals. Grab it today and start cooking. What we like. This cookbook is all about getting messy and having fun in the kitchen. It's designed to engage young children with tactile experiences like mixing and squishing. If you have a little one who loves to get their hands dirty and explore food through play, they will absolutely adore it. What people say. The cookbook has a great selection of recipes that are easy to follow and fun for kids to make. The illustrations are colorful and engaging, making it appealing for children. The cookbook includes helpful tips and techniques for young chefs. Number 3. America's Test Kitchen Kids, My First Cookbook. This cookbook is all about having fun in the kitchen. It's filled with recipes that are perfect for cooking together. You'll enjoy every moment with it. Get ready for some hands-on fun. The recipes encourage lots of mixing, rolling, scrunching, and squishing. It's a great way to get involved. This cookbook is brought to you by America's Test Kitchen Kids. They've created a book that's both educational and enjoyable. It's a fantastic resource for young chefs. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this cookbook has something for you. It's designed to make cooking easy and enjoyable. You will love it. The recipes are designed to be cooked together, making it a great activity for families. It's a wonderful way to create lasting memories. You can't miss it. What we like. This cookbook is dedicated to the art of baking, offering a range of sweet and savory recipes. It's great for young chefs who love the science and precision of baking. If you enjoy the aroma of freshly baked goods and want to learn the secrets of baking, you should definitely consider this. What people say. Very clear instructions, great photos with each recipe, easily understandable step-by-step process. Each recipe is rated easy, medium, advanced and lists all equipment needed along with ingredients. On the following page each step is shown with simple explanations under great pictures. Recipes are easy to follow and, American Test Kitchen tested, results are perfect. Number 2. The Complete Baking Book for Young Chefs. Are you ready to bake? This book is packed with over 100 recipes. It's perfect for anyone who loves to bake, share, and eat delicious treats. Inside, you'll find a wide variety of recipes. From sweet treats to savory dishes, there's something for everyone to enjoy. This book encourages you to get creative in the kitchen. It's all about having fun, sharing your creations, and enjoying every bite. These recipes are designed to be easy to follow. You'll learn new skills and create amazing food that you'll be proud of. Get your apron on and get ready to bake. It's a fantastic way to spend time and create something delicious. What we like. This cookbook brings the expertise of Food Network magazine to your kitchen, with a vast collection of recipes. It's perfect for young chefs who want to learn from the best and enjoy a wide variety of dishes. If you like a cookbook with a trusted brand and a wealth of options, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This book teaches you techniques, not just recipes. It teaches you the how-to and the why. Easy recipes, step-by-step instructions, and kid-friendly photos. Inspires confidence in the kitchen. They break everything down for kids to understand and walk them through it step by step so they feel like they're doing it completely on their own but can also ask for help if they have any questions. Number 1. Food Network Magazine Kids Cookbook, 150+ recipes. Welcome to the exciting world of cooking. This cookbook is packed with over 150 fun and easy recipes designed specifically for young chefs. Inside, you'll discover a wide variety of delicious dishes, from breakfast treats to savory dinners and yummy desserts. It's a culinary adventure for everyone. Each recipe features clear, step-by-step instructions and colorful photos to guide you. The book makes cooking simple and enjoyable. This cookbook is designed to inspire creativity in the kitchen. It encourages kids to explore new flavors and build confidence. Get ready to create amazing meals and have a blast while doing it. This cookbook is your ticket to becoming a kitchen superstar. What we like. This cookbook offers a wide variety of recipes, ensuring there's something for everyone. It's perfect for young chefs eager to explore different cuisines and cooking techniques. If you're looking for a cookbook that provides a comprehensive culinary journey, this is the one for you. What people say. So many great, easy, creative recipes. I love the spiral binding. It sits flat on the counter. It has lots of cute quizzes, coloring book in the back and a cute Earn Your Junior Chef certificate with little tasks for them to complete. Most of the recipes are easy and basic. It's also a great way to teach reading, measurements, sequencing, time, temperature, and even money, with a trip to the store for ingredients. There are some harder recipes and neat cakes that require adult help, but it's a great way to spend quality time together. The book is a hardcover 3-ring notebook with colorful photos and slightly larger print. It's very well made and will last for years. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.